Alright, dealing with some pretty nice carpet today. I've got one room we're doing, let's see, master bedroom is it. Of carpet, and then master closet right here through the master bath. We already got take up furniture gone. Most of the tack strip is good. I'll be replacing the dark spots where they've had water on them. Outside of that, everything else is going to stay. Just a little dark around the door here. But for the most part, I'm happy with it. Oakley dokily. We fixing to, I thought about shimming this up right here, but with that, this is a nice carpet. It's really dense carpet and stuff, so I didn't want, if I did all I got is 3/8 shims. If I did a 3/8 shim plus the tack strip and then this carpet, it's going to actually be up higher than the hardwood, and I don't want that. That causes it to prematurely wear, so I'd rather have it just a little bit lower. It's going to be really close to level because it is a dense carpet, but it's just going to be a tad lower. So I chose to do no shim for that reason. I don't want it higher than the wood. Over here, I think it's going to be about right because that's going to be actually perfect for that. But you can see the carpet. It's a nice dense piece of carpet. It's going to be real good. You can see there, I did end up replacing quite a bit of the strip, not all of it. I was able to leave a little bit on this wall and a little bit on that wall. Because it was not black, I replaced here at the doorway. I didn't like that they did the double, and everything else in here I was able to keep. So, however, I did reinforce everything in here with staples like I always do. So no worries about stretching this off. But anyway, fixing to take this. I got this all seamed up here. Right up through there is my seam. Obviously I use my cool glide. This is nice carpet, so I use it like 99% of the time anyway, just because it's a better tool. But anyway, fixing to tie this off right here. You can see where my needless is. And I'm going to stretch up probably to the far side of that doorway. Then I will needless all this back and start from there, coming right up here at an angle. Likey there. I mean, here. Like that. Then I'll do that, boom, 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 right on over there. So, and then after that, I will tie all this off and finish going that way. I hesitated there. I had a notification pop up, and it kind of got me a little sidetracked there. But anyway, Luke, are you ready to knock this out, brother?
Yes, sir.
All right, getting all hyped up for his certification, son. All righty. Another one bites the dust. Got everything set back up and ready to roll. Ready to roll, I say. Here we go. Alrighty. So I want to ask you something.
Okay.
I don't wear my badge. I just started wearing my badge here.
Uh-huh.
My CFI badge.
Uh-huh.
Did it catch your eye or not?
It did.
It did. What
It did.
Did it make you feel better?
Yes.
It did.
Uh-huh. Well,
When you see me get out of the van with it on, did it make you feel more comfortable?
yes.
Good.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I didn't actually notice it until you kind of, we were kind of walking in.
Yeah.
But, well, I guess right where you shook my hand out in front of it. Yeah, that's what it was. But yes.
Good.
No, I think it's
All
a
right.
positive. I think it's a positive. And probably more so for a woman,
Right.
if
Yeah,
she was,
for sure.
here by herself or whatever, then it would make her.
All right, cool.
Make
I got
her feel better
both
to
of them.
know.
I got this one and my NFIC badge
Yeah.
out there.
But I mean,
so.
this is, oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You're who you say you are, and then obviously, when talk to Kurt, they're coming in here and all that. So yeah, no, I definitely. If you're wanting an opinion, then yes, I definitely think it's a positive thing for you to wear it.
Cool. All right. Like I said, I ain't been doing it much, so I was just wondering if it had an effect.
Well, I mean,
Basically.
ask my wife the same question. Let me ask her and see what she said.
Okay.
Hey, Lily.
Hey,
With him wearing his badge that had a picture of himself, did that make you?
I didn't even notice it.
You did not even notice it. Okay, well she
That's
admitted
okay,
it. But if you had noticed it, like if
Oh,
he
it
come
would
in,
make me feel better.
yeah,
Good,
it would make
okay.
you feel
As a
better. Right?
female by myself.
See, that's the same
That's
thing I said.
exactly what you
That's
said,
exactly
yeah.
what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe this is totally wrong, but I judge a lot of people by their personality and my first
Sure.
reaction to them.
Yeah.
And you made me comfortable. So.
Oh, yeah,
good.
yeah. Well, that's what I said. He shook my hand. He walked up,
Yeah.
saw that. So I noticed the badge
Yeah.
right away,
Cool.
and that. So.
No, I didn't see the badge. I'm sorry, but
Your first instance was, did he tell you about the bad news?
Yeah, exactly.
that's right. You're exactly right.
Thank you, ma'am. We're going to get out of here. I appreciate
Okay,
it.
Thank
appreciate it. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
You got my-
Did you get his cards?
She did.
Yes, they're
Okay.
on the
You guys need
Oh.
anything, give us a call, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you might have heard what the lady said there. The first time I seen her, I had already been in there working for just a little bit, had stuff tore up, and then she got home and I told her husband was standing right behind her. Whenever I said, I don't guess has he told you the bad news yet? I was like, we're not going to be able to install your floor today. We got to tear out your subfloor and rebuild it over. And she turned around and looked at her husband and he was laughing. So just a comical little joke. As you introduce yourself or first time you see somebody or something like that, you heard it from the client. It just set her at ease, made her feel more comfortable. I've talked about that so many times in my videos. Just have a good time, talk to the people like your friends, and make them laugh. Everybody likes to laugh, and it just eases, if there is any tension, it definitely eases the tension and makes them feel comfortable. And also, you heard both of them say that it was a good thing to wear my CFI badge. It was a positive, comfortable feeling that both of them got when they noticed that I did have a badge. She said she didn't honestly notice it, but she said if I had of, it would have definitely made me feel more comfortable. Me as a woman, she said. You guys heard it. And then he said he felt better. He felt good about it as soon as he seen it when I shook his hand and introduced myself right out there by the van. So not only is it good for, hey, I'm certified, also just wearing a badge is professional, makes your clients feel good, comfortable, and relaxed, knowing that they are going to be in good hands by a certified professional that thinks enough about his business to wear his badge and present himself professional. Okay, so anyway, good to get certified, good to sport that badge. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in to the daily grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.